Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Tim.
How old are you?
I'm 4.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you live?
I live in the Philippines.
Okay, now let us have the Phonics 1 Speaking Test Unit A. Let's have the alphabet letter.
A, sa, a. Letter B, sa, b. Letter C, sa, k. Letter D, sa, ch. Letter E, sa, e. Letter F, sa, f. Letter J, sa, r. Letter H, sa, h. Letter I, sa, i. Letter J, sa, r. Letter K, sa, k. Letter L, sa, l. Letter M, sa, m. Letter N.
And
Sao nợ. Letter O, sao O. Letter Q,
P
B,
sounds
qua.
pa.
B,
Letter
Q,
Q
Q, sao qua. Letter
R
sao r. Letter
S
S, sao
S.
th. Letter T, sao th. Letter
U
U, sao ơ. Letter
V
sao
sounds
v.
letter
W, sao w. Letter S, sao th.
letter Y sounds
Yeah.
letter
Z, sao y.
Okay, let's have numbers. Number
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
yes. Let's have colors. What color is it?
Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, orange.
Okay. Now, how are you?
Happy,
I am.
sad, I am hot, I am cold, I am excited, I am angry, I am sad.
Okay. Let's have Unit 8 letter.
W,
Sounds.
sa, w.
What is it?
Wood, rain, water, wet.
Letter.
Egg,
Sounds. What's this?
bus, bus, six, wax,
Letter.
Y,
Y. Letter.
yeah,
Y. Y sounds. Yeah. What is it?
yo-yo, jack,
Yogurt. Yacht.
jet,
Letter.
D,
Sounds. Z. What is it?
people, zero,
Okay. Now.
zero.
Okay. Good job, Faye. That's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.